What's going on, everybody? Welcome to JackSportsBreaks.com. Today is Tuesday, September 27th, 2022. Doing our 2022 Topps Chrome Baseball 10 Blaster box break. Pick your team number 1. Number 2 is up next. Just 2 teams left there. And then 3 and 4 we're going to be doing tomorrow. That's because they're all in here, Ian. All the hits are in here. Who's got who in PYT number 1? We got team names in there at the top left there for you. I'll run through it alphabetically. Andrew M. with the Phillies. Craig S. with the last 3 spots. Orioles, Red Sox, and White Sox. Daniel H. with the Mariners, Rays. Daniel Y. Braves. Eric G. D-backs, Rangers. Frank R. Cubs, Guardians, Dodgers, Brewers. Gary S. Reds. Grant A. Marlins, Mets, Athletics. Craig H. Astros, Twins. Ian with the Royals. James D. Angels. Jason R. Rockies, Giants. Jeff T. Tigers. Matt M. Cardinals. Melvin D. Nats, Robert R. Jays, Sean F. Pirates, and Wayne L. with the Yankees and Padres. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for getting in. Like I said, there were 2s up next. 3 and 4 are tomorrow. And then later this week, I'm going to get an idea of how much I'm going to be able to get of Topps Pro Debut, as well as Panini Prism. So I expect a listing of the breaks sometime around like Thursday or Friday. Hoping to do full cases of each of those. I like doing Pro Debut because nobody else does it. Nobody wants to sort it. But yeah, let's get into more Topps Chrome. Oh, and if you hadn't seen, I've mentioned it a few times. If you were in the hobby breaks of this stuff, I'm supposed to be getting those silver packs from the distributor. So when I do get those, I'll go live, rip those open, and it'll just go out to whichever team you had. You'll get those cards. Awesome, Ian. Thank you. So we'll get right into that right after this. We're going to pull another Bobby Witt auto. That's what we're going to do. What's up, Jesse? Alright, should be 2 pink and 2 sepias per. What do we got here? Oh, what a start. Reed Detmer's Refractor Auto. Going to James and the Angels. First pack. I was literally thinking, like, before this break, I said, if we hit 1 auto per break, I'll be pretty stoked, because they're pretty tough. 274 to 499. Nice rookie refractor auto. And Yoan Moncada. The pinks are not numbered. Yeah, like I was saying, 2 pink and 2 sepias per box. Alright, give me a Larnick, Mancia, Chris Bryant, and nice O'Neal Cruz. Base O'Neal Cruz. Sean and his Pirates. I don't believe they are. I don't believe they are. It's going to be a nice little surprise. Ernie Clement, Sepia for the Guardians. Hit recast going to be like autos, anything numbered. Rookies of the sepias and pinks. And then the 2 big rookies, their base of O'Neal Cruz and Wander. Pretty much what I was thinking. I keep getting 5 cards per pack. It's saying everything says 4 cards. Brandon Marsh rookie, Walker Buehler, Prism, short, and Gavin Sheets pink for the White Sox. Going to Craig. Terry, Joe Adell refractor. Nice start though. Auto first box. Got a Rodolfo, Jordan Alvarez, Anthony Rizzo sepia. Last pack of box 1. Alright, on to box 2. do believe Topps announced that the SP rookies are actually in the light boxes, the hobby light boxes, which I don't know how all this happens. No way. Another auto? Trey Mancini going to the Orioles. One of the last spots, Craig. Told you they're all in here, Ian. Nice base auto, Trey Mancini. Seager. I'm nervous too about my Mets. Pavin Smith. Worried about a first place the entire season and then falling out of first place the final weekend of the season. Just ready for it. Mancini, Sepia. Yeah, I don't blame you. I was thinking about it too, but I'm sitting on so much. Maybe I will. We'll see. What do we got here? Oh, it's a Prism. Edward Cabrera. Nice Tatis. Prism. And pink of Wainwright. Refractor Donaldson. Sepia of Nico Horner, Cubbies. Votto. What needs to happen is they need to finally surface. And people need to see what they're actually going to sell for, and then that stuff will sell out. That's what it's all about. When they start selling for crazy amounts out of the gate. Got Patrick Wisdom pink. Some gray refractor. India. Sepia of George Springer for the Jays. Another O'Neal Cruz. Load up. Nico and pink of Mountcastle. I'm hearing great things about Topps Fire this year. Some really nice autograph checklist. Short sepia of Ozzy Albies. Alright, final pack of box 3. No auto in that box. What a bust. Two autos though. We're already on top. What have we here? We got Jesus Luzardo. 40 of 199 Marlins Grant. It's a nice looking card. Pink is Woodruff. Refractor of Whit Merrifield. Ooh, what do we got here? Verdugo for the Red Sox. $2.99 Boston. Craig. Josiah and Buxton sepia. Nice one, Twins. I love Buxton. I bought a decent amount of him this year. Got Freeman. Prism, Gavin Sheets, Seeger, and Yachty Pink. Fractor, John Gray. Milwaukee, Heart of the City, Josh Hader, Sepia Goldschmidt. Cardinals. Vidal Brujan. Alright, box 5. Crystal Pink. JT Realmuto. Mountcastle Sepia of India for the Reds. Kenzie Prism and Jaron Duran pink. Nice one, Red Sox. Mike Trout refractor. New Classics of Tatis, Sepia, Sonny Gray. Almost called him John Gray. So they're on the box 6. Jackson Reitz for the Brewers. Pink rookie. Judge, Means refractor. We got Yu Darvish purple for the Padres. Going Wayne at a 250. Sepia Joe Ryan, this one Twins. Rendon and Goldschmidt pink. Refractor of Brave. Heart of the City, Joey Votto. Sepia DeGrom for the Mets. Final pack of box 6. Bruhan base. Alright, number 7. Ryan Lade. Rockies pink. Refractor Max Kranick. Bobby Dolbeck. Sepia Robbie Grossman. Trout. Eloy Pavin. Brian De La Cruz refractor. India Sepia Carlos Santana Royals. Wander, there we go. And a Cruz. What a pack. Finally, our first Wander base. I think we got, yeah, 3 O'Neal Cruz already. Alright, 3 boxes left. Blake Snell. Castellanos refractor. CB John Lester. Tim Anderson. Rookie Prism Jackson Reeds, Devers. Wainwright refractor. Judge is on the struggle bus. He's not even struggling though. He's not hitting home runs. He's hitting doubles. He's walking every other plate appearance. Did he really hit it? Or did he walk? Stuart Fairchild. Pink. Walked. Third walk? Come on. Pitching scared now. Lars Nootbaar. Nice refractor rookie for the Cardinals. There you go, Matt. That's a nice one. Casey Mize, Sepia of Julio Rice. Third walk. Veerling. Altuve Prism. Mookie Betts pink. Buxton Refractor. Otani. Sepia of Vladdy Jr. Marsh McCormick. Alright, final box. Hit recap, and then we'll go in right into break number 2. Yeah, Yanks are just going to overpay for him now. What have we here? Ooh! Look at that third auto of the break. Cincinnati going to Gary. Blue rookie auto, TJ Friedel. 45 out of 150. Wow, 3 autos. Very nice. But 3 autos in this break is... that's tough to do. You notice they've all been all 3 autos are the top first pack as well. Just a note. It's interesting. There's Wander. Another one. Look at that. Late Wander love. Wainwright, pink of Wheeler. Fractor Mize, 2 packs left. We got 6 cards in here. Hang on. Acuna, Kyle Lewis, and then Sepia of Zimmerman. Yeah, they're all base. Just checking. This one feels fat too. How many cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 card pack. Alright, give me a second here. I'll do a quick hit recap. Here we go. 2022 Topps Chrome Baseball 10 Blaster Box Break. Pick your team number 1. Hit recap. There's a couple of the Wander and O'Neal Cruzes. You got Wander insert rookie, and then 2 base rookies, and then 3 O'Neal Cruz base rookies. A couple. Well, first we just point out Mike Trout refractor, and then rookie sepias and rookie pinks. We had Joe Ryan, Ernie Clement, Stuart Fairchild, Ryan Valade, Jackson Reitz, Nice Duran, and Gavin Sheets. And then numbered parallels and autos. We had Purple Speckle to 299, Alex Verdugo for the Red Sox. What is that? Plastic. Yu Darvish, True Purple to 250 for the Padres. Nice Luzardo to 199 for the Marlins. And 3 autos. Base auto of Trey Mancini for the Orioles. Rookie refractor to 499 Reed Detmers for the Angels. And blue rookie auto, TJ Friedel at a 150 for the Reds. That's going to do it for the break, guys. Number 2 up next, 3 and 4 tomorrow. Thanks.